Welcome back to Mobility Solutions, where today we will be unboxing the new Go Elite Traveler 2, Platinum Edition with some awesome new features. Stick around and enjoy.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I have a brand new scooter from Pride with easy turn technology. This is a Go Elite Traveler 2, Platinum Edition. Right beside me, I have the brand new Go Elite Traveler 2. So basically what Pride has done is they have a Platinum series of mobility scooters that's made here in the United States, and it's going to add some extra features to it. I'm excited to bring this to you, and I think it's well worth spending the extra money to get the American-made Go Elite Traveler 2 compared to the old style, because it's got some cool features to it. So let's get started. Basically, it's going to come in a box just like this. There's options of different deliveries. Drop ship, free drop ship. He'll ship right to your house, and this is what you'll do when you receive it. It's pretty simple to put together. I would suggest just taking advantage and doing this delivery. We also offer white glove delivery that will have someone bring it out to you and put it together. So when you get it, you're just going to open the box, make sure there's no damages. Usually Pride sends stuff, it's packaged very well. And what's new about the Platinum series and what Pride is doing is they're adding this new charger that has a magnetic connection to it. They call it a 360 charging. So if you have a mobility scooter, you know what a normal charger is. You kind of plug it into the holes. Sometimes it's hard at first. Sometimes with people with arthritis in their hands have a hard time with it. Now this is a magnet. Then you're going to find your seat post, and you have a couple of adjustments. So you can move this around to change the seat height, and this just plugs right back into play. One thing I don't like about this is this has a little bit of a wiggle compared to some mobility scooters that's a bolt and nut that you can tighten down, but you can adjust this really quickly to what height you would need. You're not going to need any really tools to put this together. Let's go ahead and get this out. Then you're going to find your basket, and it's going to come with red and black shrouds, so you can change them out, and they're like a matte finish, but there's other colors to choose from. So we'll just pull that out. Here's the red over here. Even if you order different colors, it's going to come with those red and black shrouds. Here's your battery, and this is a 12 volt, 12 amp hour battery. There's two batteries inside of here. There's a charging port right here with the new magnetic hookup. You can also get the larger batteries for this to get you a little bit more distance. Hey guys, so look, if you're looking to finance something, we're offering 0% interest, 3, 6, up to 12 months on purchases, which is really cool. And it's very easy to do. So we offer it with Bread Pay, and it's on our website. You'll see payments as low as. Now those payments will adjust, and I'm going to show you kind of the process of how to check out. You will need a cell phone, and you will need an email address. And this is not a hard inquiry onto your credit report. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this.
Okay, so this video is getting too long already. So if you need a full tutorial, watch our how to purchase with Bread Pay video linked in the description below.
Pride has upgraded their tiller, which you're going to love this. See this right here? Instead of the twist knob, and I'll show you that in a minute, this is adjustable tiller, which is awesome. So go ahead and remove the seat. Then you're going to find some arms, and it looks like a lot of stuff. I'm telling you, it doesn't take that long to put together. Remove the rest of the cardboard on top. You're going to find a manual, and your keys will be in here. You also have the serial number, so keep this. Let's go ahead and get the key out. You might need this, so just go ahead and leave that in there. I'll figure out where they're put. Usually it goes for an extra accessory port, so just save that in your manual. I believe this unit's a little bit less than 100 pounds. Let me check the specs real quick for you. So about 87 pounds altogether, but this disconnects. So I'm just going to pick this straight up out the box, but you can disconnect it if you need it to. All right, so I just pulled this straight up. It's about 87 pounds with the battery off. It disconnects like this. If you need it to make it less weight, you can disconnect it inside the box and pull it straight out, or you can cut the box and roll it out. So there's a couple different ways of doing it. Basically, this unboxing video is just showing you how easy it is to put this together. You don't need to waste money on white glove delivery, especially for a unit like this. People buy these units because they take them apart, put them in the car. People usually can handle the weight of the unit and don't have to spend the extra money for someone to bring it out, put it together just like I'm doing. This thing's not going to move on you at first. There's a little lever up here you're going to twist to allow this to turn. Now this has the easy turn technology, so see how sharp these wheels go? Just like this one. This allows for tight turning in a four-wheel configuration. If you wanted to change the shrouds to the red, or if you choose a different color, just pop these right off and place the new shrouds on. It's very easy to do. Let's go ahead and put the seat post on. And if you have to change this because you need a different height, it really doesn't take any time at all. Take the battery, and you want to charge this battery before you use it. Take the seat, remove the plastic. If you don't need the arms, the seat will be lighter. If you do need the arms, they're pretty easy to go on. You also have a swivel seat. Mesh back, I mean, it's literally the same as the Go-Go Elite Traveler 2. Just about all the Go-Go's are the same. Go-Go has been around for a long time. They're very dependable scooters. There's a lot of parts out there for them. We like the Go-Go brand from Pride Mobility. So when you put these arms on, first thing you're going to do, Pride does these little extra pins, which you probably could throw this in the manual. You probably won't use this unless you want to take these arms off a bunch and you don't feel like untwisting this. Just loosen that out enough to where this will go in, and you'll know when to do it. And if you want to put this back in, you can. Just find the hole where it goes, tighten this back up, and do the same on the other side. It's a small basket that just clips on the front, just like so. And pretty much, there you have it. Oh, here's your free wheel back here. If you need to roll it, you can also charge it right here. So this will be a great scooter for someone that is able to lift 30, 40 pounds, that doesn't mind taking something apart. Maybe your father, your mother, or yourself is in a independent living facility, and you're going out maybe once or twice a week and you need something that can disassemble to go on the back of your car, but you want something with a more turning compared to the fold-up scooters. This thing's going to turn a lot sharper. You're also going to get a nice swivel seat, a nice padded seat, a nice mesh back with a little bit of lumbar support. The one thing I will tell you that I don't like about Go-Go's, but it seems not to be a big deal, this moves. And I don't really like that, but it's probably the #1 brand is the Go-Go travel scooters. Obviously, most scooters that have the swivel are going to have a little bit of a wiggle at the top, but this one has a wiggle in the seat post, which I'm not a big fan of, but they sell and people like them. And this is the brand new Go-Go Elite Traveler 2 Platinum Series by Pride Mobility. Very dependable. This is the cool part though. This is why you spend about $100 more, I guess is what it is to bring this back and forth to you. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a big deal if you're a first-time user of mobility scooters, but most of the scooters, what you have to do in the Go-Go series is you have to loosen this knob to bring it back and forth. Well, you'll find this to be a really nice to have is if you do have a lift, if you are taking it apart, this is a lot faster than untwisting and trying to get the grooves correctly. Or if you need this to be closer to you by driving, but then you want to use the swivel seat, well, you can by doing that. That's why you're going to want to spend the money. On top of that, you're going to get the 360, the magnet they call it, 360 charger, which is freaking awesome. Let me show you what this looks like. Watch how cool this is. Here's the main features of this unit. First, it's made in the United States. Second is this charger. Look, like it's easy. You can do the same down here to that. Third is having this tiller adjuster by using your foot. Your normal charger looks like this. You have to grab it and plug it into the holes exactly right. Some people do this. See the 3 ports? You got to plug it right in exactly, and that is hard for some people. Removing this, what people do is they pull on this cord. How you're supposed to really remove it is by grabbing it here and pulling it out. When people start pulling on this cord, this starts to loosen up, or this can come disconnected. Magnet. See the difference? 1,000 times better. 1,000 times better. Come back up here, Wyatt. If you're not having to adjust this, it's not a big deal. But if you are having to adjust this to disassemble this and put it in the car, twisting this and bringing it down, twisting it back, making sure you get the teeth correct. I know it doesn't seem like a lot of work, but if you have one of these, you know what I'm talking about when I talk about how easy this is to operate. It's so cool. If you've been looking at purchasing a mobility scooter and you've been looking at the Go-Go series, the ones that disconnect, I would tell you, if you had the option to buy the Elite Traveler 2 or the Elite Traveler 2 Platinum, spending a little bit more money to buy the Platinum because USA made, magnetic charging, and feather touch tiller. That's it. Same thing's going to perform the same. Now let me show you a little bit about the easy turn technology. And they're putting this in a lot of their units coming out. What the heck's wrong with this thing? Oh. All right, here's a good one in this video. I was like, what's going on with this scooter? I just told you how dependable Go-Go's are. It's not working. It's beeping at me. I'm trying to go. Usually, it's in freewheel back here. You need to make sure it's in drive. Well, I looked back here, first thing I did, and it's in drive, and I turned it on, it's still not working. The charger's plugged in. Unplug the charger. But the scooters give you fault code beeps. It tells you what's wrong with it. Some of it can be as easily as the charger's plugged in, or it's in freewheel, or you activated the throttle too fast. But here's the easy turn technology. Watch this thing turn around. And this is actually going on all of Pride's scooters, or most of Pride's scooters. Pride's also launching Platinum Series on almost all of their scooters, from what I understand. So just keep an eye out. Pride's making a lot of changes and doing a lot of manufacturing here in the United States. If you have any questions, and maybe these aren't the right scooters for you, maybe you need something more for travel, check out the Super Portable by Pride or the GB120 carry-on, and I do have an HD carry-on coming out in June. So stay tuned if you need something with a little bit more weight capacity. It's coming soon.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, please hit the like. It really helps us get these videos out to more people. We understand that if you watched this entire video, you have either ordered this unit already or may be considering it. So if you have other questions that we did not answer in this video, please don't hesitate to call us at 803-926-2224. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.